everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make chocolate macarons. Only 6 ingredients, no macaronage or drying. You can bake straight in the oven. Even kids can make it. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Let's make chocolate ganache first because it takes time to set. Microwave heavy cream for about 30 seconds or until hot. Break in chocolate and mix until combined. Transfer the mixture into a piping bag and put it in the fridge for a few hours to cool completely. Put egg white and granulated sugar in a bowl. Mix and melt the sugar over hot water. Then mix with an electric mixer until stiff glossy peaks form. The mixture won't drop when you lift the beaters. Sift in almond flour and cocoa powder. Then gently mix with a spatula until combined. Now preheat the oven. Put the batter in a pastry bag and snip off the end. Pipe up the batter into 1.5 inch circles. I'm using the template from Shiroi Gobito if you remember the recipe. Bake for about 3 minutes. Then turn down the heat and bake for about 10 minutes. Leave in the oven for 5 minutes. Then take out of the oven and cool completely. Pipe up the chocolate ganache onto the bottom side of half the macaron shells. Match up with top shells to finish.
Understand.
Very easy, right? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Oishii?
おいしい。他の子はこんな感じで、いっぱいだけど美味しい。今度はさ、ホワイトチョコレートじゃって感じじゃない？かわいそう。あまりにも美味しすぎるから。チャンネル登録お願いします。グッドボタン押してね。バイバイ。